If you are taking medicines regularly, for your joint pain or arthritis, then we will show you some best supplement, which will help you to overcome this problem naturally. The video will give you top 5 best supplements for your joint, and will explain how they help with pain in the elbows, knees, fingers, toes, neck, and lower back. So let's get started. Number 5 on list is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a component of the fluid that lubricates joints. It performs 3 important functions including lubrication of the joints, growth of cartilage and bone. Hyaluronic acid helps in the growth and development of joints, cartilage and bone, by promoting the growth of new cells and tissues, reducing inflammation, thereby reducing pain. Its supplements are easily available, which you can take according to your doctor or pharmacist recommendation. Number 4 on list is glucosamine and chondroitin. Glucosamine and chondroitin are 2 popular supplements said to help manage joint pain. These 2 compounds are found within cartilage, but with age, your cartilage is wearing down. Glucosamine and chondroitin, typically taken combined in a single supplement, are said to relieve arthritis pain by acting as natural anti-inflammatories and slowing down the deterioration of cartilage. Its supplements are easily available in the market. Number 3 is calcium along vitamin D. Everyone knows the importance of calcium and vitamin D, and their role in bone health. If you are suffering from osteoporosis, or any joint pain condition, try take this. And always take vitamin D and calcium supplement together, as vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Number 2 on list is methylsulfonylmethane. Methane. Methylsulfonyl methane is a chemical that occurs naturally in humans, as well as some green plants and animals. Supplements of methylsulfonyl methane, better known as MSM, have been shown to reduce inflammation, joint pain, and muscle pain. It also works as an antioxidant and as an immune modulator. Its supplements are easily available in the market. Number 1 and most important on list is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It's the main component of connective tissues that make up several body parts including tendons, ligaments, skin, and muscle. There are 3 important types of collagen: type 1, type 2, and type 3. But type 2 is found in joints and intervertebral discs. Collagen has following benefits, including protect cartilages from degeneration from wear and tear, promotes cartilage lubrication, reduces inflammation in the synovial fluid, thus reducing the pain, protection of bones at the joints. Its supplements are easily available in the market, which will surely help in your joint pain. If you know any other supplement, which should be in the list, or for which you found good result after use, do let us know below.